guys, what's up? Welcome back to Can Do Sisters. Today on Can Do Sisters, I will be testing out the Elmer's Ultimate Slime Kit and the Elmer's Confetti Slime Kit. And so please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like slime. Also, go check out our family website, whatsupmickey.com. That will also be in the link in the description box below. So we are going to be starting with the Elmer's Ultimate Slime Kit first. So let's go! So the first one that we'll be doing is the Elmer's Ultimate Slime Kit. And it comes with 11 pieces. And right now we'll just be doing the blue metallic glue, but I will show you all everything that comes inside. Okay, so when you pull it out, it has all the glues on top. And we're gonna pull the lid. Okay, and it also comes with a UV light that has that on the changing color slime you can see on it. So we will be doing the metallic glue first, and if we have time, we'll also be doing the color changing glue just so we can do the UV light. Oh, and it also comes with a clear glue, which is purple, a clear glue green, a metallic pink, and it comes with 3 clear glues. And it also comes with 2 bottles. Okay, so I'll be starting with the metallic blue glue, and we'll be going to the color changing glue after we do this one. So first you'll open the bottle and pour the glue inside any bowl. And you'll want to try and get most of the glue out that you can. Okay, I think I almost have most of it out. Yep. Okay, that should work. I'm gonna set that bottle over here. Okay, so this is what the metallic glue looks like. It's really pretty. And now all you have to do is add the magical liquid in. And it said on the back that you would want to add in 1 to 2 teaspoons. But I don't have any teaspoons with me, so I'm just gonna start to pour in a little bit and just see how much I will need. When I poured out the liquid, it wasn't as liquidy. It's kind of cool. Okay, and then you're going to mix it all together until all comes together. And it'll start off like when you do it, it'll like break easily. But once you get a pretty good amount in, see, like it's not like liquid, it's like a goop. Okay. You can also touch it on the spoon and see. If it sticks to your fingers, I want it going yet, then it's just gonna make a big mess. So it's still kind of sticking, but I'm going to go in with just 2 fingers. Keep my other hand out. See. Okay, I'm going to be adding in a little bit more. If you see, it is still kind of like sticking to my hands, but I'm going to mix it all together and see how it's working. And you can also get the slime kit at Target and on Amazon if you are looking for it. Okay, as you can tell, it's still sticking to me, so I'm going to add in some more magical liquid. And it says that add to the Elmer's glue to help make the slime. It replaces the baking soda and the contact solution. This is the blue metallic slime. Okay, so now we are going to be doing the color changing glue slime, and it changes from blue to purple, and you have to bring it out in the sunlight when you have major slime to see if it changes colors. And so we will be bringing it out into the sunlight when we are done making it. And then this one also includes the UV light that you can make designs on. So first thing, you'll want to just empty the whole bottle. Okay, once you think you have most of it out, you are just going to be adding in your magical liquid. You don't have to add in anything else because the magical liquid covers the baking soda and the contact solution. So now we're going to be pouring in some of the magical liquid. And now we're going to mix it in. Okay, so it is still a little sticky, so I'm not going to put my hands in yet. I'm going to get it so it's not as sticky. So there's a little sun on it, and it's already changing kind of purple. So I am going to keep mixing, and you can also tell when you put your hands in if it's not sticking to your spoon anymore. Now I put one hand in just to start mixing it around, and it is still a little sticky. Now I'm going to attempt to open the bottle with just one hand. Whoa, it's like turning purple already. This one does seem to look like it needs more activator than the first one. But now I'm going to get it out of the bowl, and I'm going to start mixing after I add in a little. They do give you 2 bottles of the magical liquid slime, which is good. I'm going to mix it all together. And it is a little watery when you first put the magical liquid in, but then it comes back together and makes an awesome slime. Okay, so now we are going to be testing out the UV lights before we bring it into the sun. I'm going to basically flip this part over so I get the sides on. Okay, now I'm going to flip the bowl over to make it a plate, and I'm going to set it all on there. Try not to get it to drip too much far down. Okay. So now the light, how do you turn it on? There. Alright. So now we are going to try and turn the light on and see if it writes. It writes. Okay, now let's bring it into the sun. Okay, so now I'm going to be drawing the light onto the slime. I'm having to flip it over because it. So now, if you see, I'm drawing purple on the slime. And so you can basically write on the slime and do all different things. So now let's go bring it into the sun. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you go out into the sun. It is a very dark purple, and when you flip it over, you can tell that it is usually a very white blue, but when the sun is all the way out, it goes to dark purple very fast. And this slime is also very stretchy, and it can turn colors only out in the sunlight. It can only turn colors out in the sunlight. You cannot put it in like in front of a light bulb or anything else. So this is how it turned out. It is a very dark purple when it goes into the sun. I love how it turns out. So now we are going to be starting the Elmer's confetti slime. And so we're going to open this one up. Okay, and this one comes with, pretty sure, 2 glues. It comes with a clear glue and a metallic glue. And we are going to be doing the clear washable glue since we have already done a blue glue. And then it also comes with a confetti slime activator. So they have confetti bits in the activator, but you just have to shake it up and then the confetti adds in it. And now into the ground. And first what you'll do is you will empty your bottle of clear glue slime. It's very clear. Clear glue came out fast. And then basically this activator is the same activator as the magical liquid, as like just the clear one. But this one is a confetti. So we're just emptying up the bottle of slime. Okay, once you think you have mostly everything out, you can start adding in your magical liquid, which this has the confetti bits in it, and when you pour it out, the confetti will come out too. So this is just the white glue, or the clear glue. And now, here's the seal on it. Okay, so now I have it opened, and I'm just going to pour some in like I did the other one. It's like a gel almost, and there's like, it's like colorful, so y'all can see when I pour it, it's like colorful pieces in it. Like, yeah. And now I'm going to mix it in, and basically it will add confetti to your slime, but it will also activate your slime too. And if you decide that you do not want a lot of like the activator in, then you can, or if you don't want a lot of the confetti, you can also put your own, you can also put baking soda in and contact solution. Which this one is a smaller bottle, and since they put the confetti in, it has to have more, and so it takes a lot for this one. So as you can see right now, it has the confetti in it, and it's gonna need more, but we're gonna mix it first. I think I'm at like half of the bottle maybe? Yeah, probably half. Alright, and I think it said on the box that you would use 1 whole bottle. Yeah, it says that you would use 1 whole bottle of the liquid. So we're just gonna mix that in, and I think they are right that it's going to need the whole bottle. And now it is coming together. I will still probably, as you can see, there's the confetti in it. Okay, we are going to be adding some more in, and there's a lot of confetti at the bottom that hasn't gotten emptied out. But we're going to to mix now that activator in. This one's weird. It's taking longer to activate. Yeah, I think they're right that you need literally like the whole bottle. Because it's still like really sticky. So we're going to just add more in. Now we're going to mix it in. Okay, so now it has started to come together. The confetti is like, they picked good colors for it. Now we're going to mix it in. And when I start to mix, I'm going to be adding just in a little more, so when I mix it won't stick as much. Oh, it's really clear. Okay, so as you can tell, it is still sticky, but when you mix it, it will be better and it won't be as sticky after you mix it. But yes, you did need most of the bottle. I used all the bottle except like a tiny bit. Now I am just mixing it together. I would say that this one's probably like one of the prettiest ones because it's clear and it has little like specks of confetti in it. But then also I like the color changing one. And then I like the metallic one too. So now we're going to get the rest out of the bowl. Okay. So this is how the confetti one turned out. It has a lot of confetti in it, and it is really clear. I don't know if y'all can see me, but there's a hole in it. Okay. And so, yeah, this is how the clear one turned out. And I'm pretty sure the clear one took more than the other two. But if you would like to try out the other metallic glue of the confetti slime, you can get them at Target or on Amazon, and you can probably get them on other places. So this is how the confetti turned out. So in today's video, I made 3 slimes. I made the amazing color changing slime, which changes from blue to purple. Okay, and then next I made a metallic blue slime, which is probably, I think, one of the stretchiest ones. And it has a really pretty color. Okay, and then the last one I made was the confetti clear slime, which made a bigger slime than all the other ones. You can get it all out. Okay. And this one was clear. My favorite one that I made was probably the confetti. Was probably like the confetti one or the metallic one. I like the confetti one because it has all the pretty color specks in it and it's very clear and stretchy. And the color changing slime I liked because it changes colors. This one would probably be the less stretchiest. And this one, these two were probably the stretchiest. I'd say clear slime, stretchiest. And then the metallic one was probably the second stretchiest. And then the last one was probably the color changing slime as the stretchiest. And so thank you for watching Can Do Sisters. Also go check out our family website, whatsupnikki.com, which will also be linked in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you have made slime before. So thanks for watching. Bye!